I'm Kate Magic, and today I wanted to share with you about the magic of castor oil. It's something I talk about a lot in my lectures and my classes. I'm a really big fan of castor oil. I think the things that work best are when we work with the body's natural intelligence. So the less interventionist the method and the more we're just allowing the body's innate intelligence to come into play and the body to self-heal, then the more powerful the healing. And that's why I'm such a big fan of the naturopathic detox techniques, because they just facilitate the body's natural healing mechanisms. And castor oil is one of my favorites because it's so simple, it's so easy to do. Some of the other naturopathic detox techniques are a bit more intimidating when we talk about things like colonics and enemas. I do have an enema video here on YouTube which I'll link to. But yeah, things like that are more intimidating, but castor oil is really simple, really easy to do, and it's so powerful. And the amount of times that people have been looking to resolve an issue, and they've been buying all the expensive supplements and trying all these different things, and then I recommend castor oil to them, and it's the thing that actually does the trick. I've got loads of anecdotal stories that I've experienced myself, and that people have told me where castor oil is the thing that's really worked. So you can buy any castor oil, you can get it in the pharmacy. It's very inexpensive, and it's just a very thick viscous oil. It doesn't go off, you don't need to store it in the fridge or anything. It's just I'll pour it in a minute. It's just it's just an easy to find oil. People use it internally as a purgative, which I don't recommend, but externally I've had it explained to me different ways how it works, but it basically helps remove toxins from the body. So from a holistic point of view, it contains full spectrum light, so it's pulling the toxins out of the body with the light that it holds. It promotes T cell count. So if you know, T cells are immune system cells, so it promotes the immune system to work, so it boosts the T cell count. I can't fully scientifically explain to you why it works, but it really works, and it's really simple and really easy to use. So as I said, you want to apply it externally. You want to get your castor oil, and then you want to have some fabric, so they call it packing fabric. So I've just got a piece of kitchen roll. I don't recommend you use kitchen roll, but you just want to get an old piece of fabric, so like an old tea towel or a baby muslin, or cut up some sheet, just an old piece of fabric, and then you want to pour it on. So I just want to show you, because it is really thick and viscous. You can see that. So it's a really kind of sticky oil, so you have to be really careful, because when it gets onto things it stains. So if I put it onto my fingers, I don't know if you can see how kind of sticky it is. So when you put it into the fabric, you just want to soak it into the fabric that you're going to use. And then the main place we do castor oil packs is on the liver. So your liver is on your right side. If you just kind of stick your fist under your ribs on the right side, that's where your liver is. So you're just going to press it on there, and it just needs heat to apply. So you want to put a hot water bottle on. You need to protect it, probably, because as I said, it stains. So you could either just put a plastic bag over it, you can wrap yourself up in cling film, you can even buy corsets. You can buy special packing corsets that kind of keep it set in, but you want to put something on there. When I used to do it a lot, I used to use just like an old t-shirt. I had a t-shirt that I kept, so the t-shirt was really stained, but that was the t-shirt I wore when I did castor oil packing. I had a pair of jogging pants and a t-shirt that I always used to wear. So you could just have your castor oil packing outfit. And when we do it on the liver is the main organ of detoxification in the body. So we're supporting the detoxification process, supporting the liver. So you can just do it for like an hour or two. You can do it overnight. If you do it overnight, you want to put old sheets on the bed. Maybe you want to protect the sheets with plastic. It does actually, if you put it in the machine, washing machine, it does wash out, but it takes 2 or 3 washes to get those oil stains out. So just be prepared, whatever it comes into contact to, it's going to stain. And it's just a really beautiful naturopathic technique. Really easy, and it really does make so much difference. So I find if I do castor oil packs, I wake up the next day feeling so much happier, so much sunnier. So if you think about that light energy, it's like when you've been in the sunshine all day, it's just putting that happy energy into you, that light energy into you. And I feel when I do castor oil packs, I wake up the next day really always in such a positive, bright mood. You can also use it on specific areas, so it's really good for menstrual pain, it's really good for lung stuff, to do packs on the lungs, kidneys, anywhere where you feel you've got a specific area that needs support. If you're just doing a liver pack, I would do 3 days in a row to do the liver, and if you're doing anywhere else, I would do 2 days, so like 2 days lungs and then the third day liver, or 2 days on your ovaries and the third day on your liver. And that's it, it's that simple. So as I said, you can do it with old fabric and a hot water bottle. I'm blessed enough to have a sauna, infrared sauna, so now I just do it in the sauna, and I let the heat of the sauna soak the castor oil into my liver. Or if you're somewhere where it's really hot and sunny, you can just sunbathe with the castor oil on, but it is important that you get that heat to let it absorb into the skin, through the skin. There's lots of other uses for castor oil as well. You can use it in lots of ways, but that's just the basic on how to do castor oil packing, which I really recommend as a really easy and effective naturopathic detox technique. So thank you for listening, and yeah, leave any questions and comments below.